Let us continue with our lesson over here, and I have given you a homework to create the view model for this particular repository over here. And I hope you have done it already. If not, that's fine. Let's go and create it over here. So let's go to the view model over here and let's create the new file. Let's call this one as the coin. I guess we'll call it as a price. Coin price, the view model underscore the model, or you can give any name depending on your requirement. And if you go to our repository, you will notice that we need to pass in this product ID over here. And in the Riverpod, if you can remember from our previous section, or I guess that's on the Riverpod section where we learned how to create the family provider, right? So let's go over here, and what we'll do is we'll create the class over here, and let's call this one as the coin price. Let's call this one as a coin price view model, and that is not we want to pass in over here. Let's remove that. That's the code generation from the AI tool Codimum AI. We need to extend this from the auto dispose, and this will be of the family family notifier over here is actually. So for this one, we need to actually go and import it from the Riverpod over here. So let's just go and import the Flutter underscore the Riverpod over here. And I guess that should be fine. So let's go and see AUT auto dispus auto dispose. It should be of the family notify. Yeah, that's the one. And here we need to pass in the type. So first one is we require the async value. That is what we will be requiring, and this will be of the type of the map of the dynamic. And then the second type is of the list of the string. So this is the product ID that we need to pass in, and this is the type that we will return from here. So let's just go and override the build method over here. And this will be actually the async value. If you can remember, with the async value, what we can do is we can just go and have the data loading and then the error state over here. So for that, let's go over here, and then from here what we need to do is I need to grab the final, and this will be of the, I guess we will get it as a price, right? So coin price or the price stream. So we'll get a stream over here, and that will be of the ref.the watch over here, and that will be of the coin price, the coin price repository provider. I guess that should be coin price. Okay, so let's go and take a look over here. What is the provider that we get from here? So that should be the coin price repository provider. This should be the one that we need to over here. Okay, so we need to import actually this one. So let's try to import. Okay, so we got that, and from here we will just go and return our price stream. So this is actually the async value of the object, so it's not actually this one that we have. So let's just go and the remove from this one, and also remove this one from here. So let's just keep it as just the async value object over here. That should be fine. And if you can remember, previously what we have done is void and reset. We also need to call the reset over here, and ref that invalid that our repository provider. That should be good enough. So let's go and add in our the provider. Let's create the provider. So that will be of, let's just go and say the final, and I'll just give a name as this one. So let's just copy this one over here, and that will be of the provider itself. So I'll just go and make this one as the lowercase, and it's going to return us the auto dispose over here. Auto dispose is a post notifier provider. Notifier, I guess, auto dispose notifier provider, and that will be of the family itself, I guess, family family. And I guess it's not okay, so it should be of equals to over here. So that's correct. So auto dispose notifier provider family is what we require over here. And this is what we need to pass in. The first type is the notifier class itself. So this is the note, and the state will be of our. Currently we haven't generated state, we are using the async value as our state. And then the final, the argument that we want to pass in, this is the argument that we want to pass in over here, and that's going to return us the instance of our coin price view model, the notifier. So that should be good enough. So now we have our coin price view model provider. So that should be good enough. And your next task will be to create a screen over here. So you need to create a screen and to load this particular provider. So once you click on this particular on the product, let's say USDT to the USD, once you click on this one, it should navigate to that particular screen and load the data based on this particular product ID. So this is the product ID. You need to pass in over here and load the data from the WebSocket, right? So that's all. And please make sure you try to do this one, and we will meet up in the next one. Till then, have a great day.